And 2 minutes now till market open. Hopefully market doesn't just tank and we can have some draws to still take out, because these lows are like the draws that we want to see immediately get taken out, and hopefully we can have a small rejection out of this 5 minute gap, push higher into like these, hopefully catch something off of the hourly, pushing us lower. The way it's looking, it looks like we're gonna want to take out this low at market open. Looks like we're gonna create SMT at these lows here.
One is she rolling with me, you hit that kind of narrow A1 neck. Wait a sec, turn around quick and lift your leg. I'm an anti-social kid, so more time I ain't gonna waste my breath.
Alright, pushing lower towards those lows, as I was saying. Not sure if I fully want to take them out. We have this small SMT here that we could respect and push higher from. Still haven't set one direction, but it looks like we're gonna want to take out these lows. It's hard to say right now. Thinking how to get paid.
Yo, I'm taking risks, getting my paper right. Karma might get them, they gotta pay the price. I'm feeling low, it could be worse. All of my VV shine. I've been up and down, they gotta feel me now. Price went up and they hear me now. Back then they wouldn't hear me out. Absent, I gotta make it count. My main 110 and I say that loud. Back, you're talking hot, I told bro take that down.
Alright, we have this SMT pushing us higher. Hopefully that can initiate our manipulation leg. We would have to close higher as well.
These days loyalty's missing. Cut that off and I cut my tie. She's jarring, don't wanna listen. Yo, done it myself, ain't nobody bringing. Texting drunk, told her that I
why does it do that?
Something is missing. Shorty's bad, sexy, I wanna hit this. 2 AM in a Lambo whizzing. Trust no one, still carry my flicking. Yo, who's that? We got motion, never on E. Ow, what's that? I hear man talk about talking cheap. CC bagging it made a week. Link with something made this beat.
We're on this side.
Don't wanna link my G. Yo, I'm taking risks, getting my paper right. Karma might get them, they gotta pay the price. I'm feeling low, it could be worse. All of my VV shine. I've been up and down, they gotta feel me now.
Alright.
Price went up and they hear me now.
Market opens a little choppy.
I gotta make it count. My main 110 and I say that loud. You're talking hot, I told bro take that down. I feel like Trent, right back talk of the town.
They're talking back in the day. Talking NBA. Still pushing lower for this 15-minute inversion. Tap to pawn this 15-minute order block too. We have this hourly gap though that we could potentially push towards, or trace to. Take out this high that's within it. Push lower from that. There's a good chance.
I get money and your man bummy. I start for a rainy day, not sunny. I'm outside with all my jewels on live. I wish man would take it from me. Sat in the booth with Black Boy Max. I need millions, fuck them packs. Me and bro got something in common. Either way we get to the cash. Either way we get to the bag. High or dry, she'll get in the wag. Truth and lies, but show me facts. I'm in the booth though, where you at?
First class Euro, I'm in London with the guys. 9042, I'm drunk as fucking on my eyes. They said we can't smoke, I'm still out here, I'm getting fried. I said you can't smoke, get on my crib, your career died. Knew your hoes at that, yeah, you should've seen the signs. Better like a piggy bank, I fill it up.
I have this SMT performing at the highs.
I don't care to be perfect, even Jesus was crucified.
If you wanna smoke, then say that. Just give me the tab, I'll pay that. I just cashed out, could've got a Maybach. I ain't like them guys, I'm laid back. No expiry date on payback. Doing the most account, I hate that. She wanna fuck, keeping it hush. Like damn, why not just say that? AMG roaring, sounding yuck. She a hoe, so I can't even cook.
Once we close this 5-minute candlestick, we'll see like what the true directions like more probable to be. Whoa. All right. Close this SMT. So now we have a 5-minute SMT on both sides of the market right now. Now it's more determined on seeing our confluences. Do we have more bearish or bullish confluences? It looks like we have more bearish, honestly. And I think we're gonna. Looks like we're gonna disrespect this order block here. Honestly, I could look for an entry off this since we did mitigate this 15-minute. We're already like tanking lower, honestly. I would like to also enter off a 5-minute, preferably. So we're taking out these lows right now, clearly. Like I said from the start. Jeez, bro. That doji there did signify that we were pushing. Even targeting this sell side. Disrespected that 5-minute SMT. See if we form an SMT with these lows here, because that could definitely shoot us higher. We just took out these lows here on ES. Could definitely look to have a whole potential inversion since we just swept these lows. If we see a 5-minute inversion, we have buy side internal liquidity. These highs within the hourly gap, as well as buy side internal liquidity up here. London highs, Asia highs, up here. We could be retesting this 4-hour gap. Well, it's not even formed yet, so it could be this retesting of the 1-hour gap. You got the high that's within the gap. We have this hourly SMT at the lows. Unless we want to take out these lows, the sell side, internal liquidity. These are like hourly lows, and we just filled this. We just tapped upon this hourly for value.
Last night, this morning, flying again, I'm soaring. I'm really at war, just spun the car, can't thought that saw him. I'm conflicted, beef is bad for business, money is more important. Got a bad bitch that'll make man fall in love, then lure him. I'm trying to leave my man 6 foot under and fuck up his health insurance. I never wanted to be the boss, but fuck it, I'll play the position. We had a drop with the young G aborted, cause he weren't trained for the mission. I'm fucking a basketballer's wife, can't pay like I play for the piston. I told bro if you see them, crash it immediately and don't wait for permission. I thought it was beef, them boy they're sweet, I ain't got real enemies. My bro still spread white stuff uptown, like Philadelphia cheese. And he got dark like South Sudanese, no drought still out in the B. Everything's gonna make sense in the M when we all get out of the streets.
Versus 5 minute here. Could see, definitely see a push higher. Could definitely see a push higher potentially. Potential push higher. Like we're sticking with that move lower. May want to take out this sell side internal liquidity that we have. We just build this 2 minute gap here, but I don't enter in off of 2 minutes. So if we were to dump here, so be it. I just don't trade 2 minutes. That's not. We could very much respect it, but I'd rather not take the gamble. Very much disrespected this 5 minute. You do have a lot of bearish influences though. Maybe if we had like more clear draws, the next draws that we have are down here. Entirely lows. I'm not saying we can't take them out, it's just like I don't think it would be the best gamble. We do have a lot of bearish confluences, and entering off this 2 minute gap, okay, that would look like this. But I personally wouldn't feel comfortable taking that, only because it's off of a 2 minute. That 2 minute could be very weak. Technically, it is off of 15 minute. It would be too late anyways to take that. Every day I gotta buy a purse. Function. What if the function up? We can risk low here. If we were to. It's just like it's 2 minute here. It's getting invalidated. We have this high here. Looks like we're staying below it.
Only right now, see success. All this shit that man been through. Aye, case controlling the whip. Wipe that down, there's feds behind. If I had listened to you, I would've already lost my mind. Laid back kid from young, cheeky grim while I pre the back. I'm bored, what's everyone on? I shouted K like I need 2 packs. Yo, aye, eyes on me, but it ain't no biggie. It was all a dream. Yo, said I'm a dog, no ziggy. Accountability's key.
I like this push higher. We're invalidating this 2-minute. That's why I said 2-minute invalidations happen. That's why I would not take that, bro. You gotta be disciplined. Disciplined. Let's see us take out this high and see a retracement into like technically this order block that we have. Wagwan, NQ. Let's see disrespect this 5-minute. Would be.
I'm in that M18 right now, link me by the chicken shop. If I didn't have no purpose, I would've already got the drop. Heard what you said as well. This year I'd flop. Like the ceiling, I stay on top. She obsessed with Fenty Beauty, all on me, tryna kiss on my neck. No, we ain't linking up. If I respond with, give me a sec. Yo, left that phone unlocked. Lock that quick, I ain't tryna be stressed. Babe, yeah, I do trust you, but I don't believe a word you say.
So I have now. Watch out right now. So. Okay, or we could be. We could. So this bearish SMT here we're respecting. Looks like we're on a push. I mean, right now it's really just okay. At least we do see us forming some sort of level of change in state here on NQ. We did have valid change in state here on yes. I personally want to see a push higher. Seeing that move higher here on ES right now. We just need to see that initial push higher on NQ as well.
300 up like a Spartan. Balenciaga in tartan. The waiter begging my pardon. I'm in Paris, Le Manger. Remember back home I was starving.
It's one of those days that we're gonna pick a direction and stick with it.
I'm way more than an artist. I'm a buster packer than half it. I'm a baller, I just kick with her. Then I flip her up and then pass it. I'm a sick fuck, can't mask it. More champagne, yeah, thank you for asking. I just take drugs till I'm retarded. Tally, I'm barking, mixed with a smell of you on my armpits.
Alright, we see that push higher here on ES that we're having. You just want to see us disrespect this 5-minute SMT, honestly. I respect this hourly SMT we formed at the lows. Honestly, it could close as a 4-hour SMT. We can retest this 4-hour gap. Confirmed 1-hour gap. I think we could have a slight rejection off of this hourly gap. That's going to take us to this hourly gap right here. Either this one or this up here. Oh, that's a 4-hour gap. Why does it keep doing this? Hour.
Okay.
We can see a small rejection to this 4-hour or this 1-hour gap here. Potential inversion of this gap on ES and taking out this high within this gap.
In my mouth so the haters can't avoid my laugh. Before I ask my man, is he mad? Let me sip this rum and catch some banks. Aye, she wanna get filled, no tank, face went blank. Aye, D&D just wanna go home, don't even ask, she already know. Head in the backseat, kinda nice. I just sit back while she give man blows. Whenever I drop, it's long. Do not disturb, my phone is off. Aye, 100 rats ain't a lot. I got like 2 M's up in songs. Aye, as soon as I get too paro, I know this ain't where I belong.
Please leave me alone, cause I don't wanna talk right now, so leave me a message after the tone. Music when I press D and D. I just wanna be in my zone. You wouldn't trust them if you know what I know. I keep the secrets unknown, cause that's what's best for the bar. Like, found me a king from Manny.
Alright, pushing higher here. I don't understand why is top step glitching, bro. Like, keep my drawings on my friend, please. Okay. Top step's glitching out. 24,835. 24,835 retracement. 24,835. I want to see push out of this level. 24,835.
Look, I told boy you can't die for the hood. If you ain't gon' ride for your hood, told Bay walk on what's good, delete her number, she's moving.
Alright.
I'm on a 2-man speed and wash. I came from left arm straight out of the woods. This thing got me vexing again. I might just text her late nights in Conch. Another hole in one like I'm Tiger Woods.
Look for some momentum out of this gap here.
Order filled.
Got pepper, I'm out late night on a flex, 2 dogs in a Benz, just splurging your rent, making money, sing a left to the left, slow down as a bend. I love the money and the money love me, just float like Muhammad Ali, on my cheek is swinging, they say I'm too smiley, why you wily, if you look at my teeth, it's a dime.
Take out a contract here.
Like why you keep screaming,
Order filled.
they say I've been flirting, but I'm working, can't believe you believe in them beat. I done left you at it, cause it's
You just hit this hourly gap on ES.
tell me if you see a future on me.
Looking to target this hourly or this high that's within this gap. I'll put stop loss and profit. We're looking to take out this high, retest this 5-minute SMT. You just need one last push to take out this high. What we're looking for. May even see a rejection off there that may let us at break even potentially because it's an hourly gap, but hopefully we push enough into it to where we take out this high.
Order filled.
What do I say, bro? It says it in the word, bro. I'm gonna pull up the word right now because literally, bro, I kid you not, bro. And it just stuck out to me right there. I didn't even have to look because that's what God does, bro. But Psalms chapter 94, verse 12. Blessed is the man whom you discipline. Discipline yourself, and you will be blessed, bro. Bro, like, God is real, bro. God is real. Great trade. Came back from a losing week. Honestly, we had 2 L's to start off the week. But what I say, bro? Okay, we have a lot of chop. Okay, we have a lot of chop. So what? If we see our model, we take our model, bro. Take to our low-hanging fruits, bro. So I can't be too loud though, cause my roommate's been getting mad at me for being loud. But I'm like, I'll even be that loud. But honestly, great day. Like, what did we say from the start? I mean, it's literally just following the model. We see a point of structure that's within the market. We see a zone of structure. All right, we want to see us manipulate that structure. It's been consistent in the market over 20 years. We manipulate retail traders to distribute to those institutional traders, those people who actually wait, the people who know what they're doing. All right, we need something to validate each of those moves. What do we see to validate our manipulation today? We see we took out this low. We had a higher time frame hourly liquidity sweep down here. We also fulfilled a 5-minute gap here, just in case we needed to look for a continuation variant. And what did I say too? We're going to push towards this gap because we wanted to take out, it's called, I want to see the exact name of what it's called, but it's when we have these highs that are lying within a gap that we want to take out. This high, if you see closely, it's lying within a gap. What else do we see here? This high, lying within a gap. All right, we want to take that out. It's a clear draw of liquidity. All right, we also need something to validate that we're initially going to move higher in the first place. We have an overall bearish trend today. It's not a coincidence that I can see that we're going to push higher. All right, we need change in state, bro. 2-minute change in state. We have a clear level of equal highs being formed. We had that on both indexes. Here, it already happened. It happened down here. So, we had these equal highs, push higher, and then we already came back into our 5-minute. So I knew we had valid retracement already on ES. We're just waiting for it on NQ because we need both assets to have a valid change in state direction. So, now what? We see change in state direction on NQ. All right, we see equal highs here. Okay, we have a wick. You know, we have a real body. They're nice and flush together. That's what we want to see. Another real body, or sorry, not real body, wick. Tapping upon that same line of our real bodies. We mark the highest high of that. We want to see valid displacement of that highest equal high. Push lower. Okay, where are we pushing lower to? The same continuation confluence that we have on structure. We see 5-minute structure, 5-minute, retracement confluence. I don't know why Top Step was glitching out. It wouldn't let me change my 5-minute fair value gap from the 5-minute to the 1-minute. So I had to mark it out, the actual price. But here you can see at 24,835.50, we had our fair value gap. 5-minute. All right, 24,835. You see how it keeps disappearing? So 24, 835, 50 here. We see valid retracement to the tick. That's why I was confident in risking, right? Boom, to the tick. Mark that out. We see, okay, we see these lows. We can, I had my stop loss at, 250. Have your own risk management. What do we target? What do we know was guaranteed? Boom, this high. This high. Beautiful. And then we knew we could have definitely targeted more, right? We could have targeted this high too. This was our initial draw for the day, but what was guaranteed? We had bad market conditions today. We had a whole lot of chop, so we take what's guaranteed. All right. But once I saw that initial momentum out of it, I was like, okay, we can risk now. Some on the line. But yeah, bro. Beautiful day, bro. All glory to the Heavenly Father, God, bro. He does it. Jesus Christ himself, bro. But let's do our journal. Bro. Literally off app. Hey man, I'll show y'all everything, bro. Losses, wins, because I know, bro. I didn't put in years for nothing.